Yo, what's up? I'm back again with another video tutorial. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you, how to make the real emojis on your BeReal app. So basically, as you know that on the BeReal app, you can't react to uh, people's post or people's picture with the emoji. Make specific expressions for a specific emojis. So whenever you are reacting to someone's picture, you would be using that pictures of yours. So if you look at the bottom right corner of this picture, there is this smiling face. If you click on it, you'll get a bunch of emojis, and your instant real emoji will be there too. And as you can see, my like real emoji is there, and these are the ones which I can create. So let's suppose I want to delete my real emoji, or I want to change my real emoji from a like, the like one which I've created. I'll just press and long hold it. So as you can see that now it's floating. Now if I press this cross icon, it's going to delete that BeReal emoji. Or sorry, I said BeReal, that real emoji. And now if I click again on it and hold it, it's gonna ask me, it's gonna still ask me like, congratulations, you're gonna make your first real emoji and stuff. And then after that, you can click, here we go. And after that, it's gonna ask you to take a picture of yourself. So I'm gonna just do the thumbs up and just take my picture with the other hand. And as I do this, now if it's going to ask you, well, if you are happy with it or not. So I'm going to just go with next, and then you can see that real emoji will appear there. So now if I click on this icon and click on that real emoji, it's going to send that reaction on this specific post. So this is how the real emoji thing work. And yeah, I hope this video you find it helpful, and please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.